Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram. So for this, uh, go to search bar or your following option or your follower option, then search for that person. So this is my another account. So if I block myself, so all I need to do is go for in this three dot option here. Now you can see here is the block option over here. So click on it and go for block, and it's done. You can see here. So this is how you can block someone on Instagram. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.